Hi guys, good morning. I hope that you are having a beautiful week. As you can see, this week we are going to focus on Unit 2 and the Lesson 1. You can help laughing. That is the topic for this lesson. We are going to focus on talking about likes and dislikes, agreeing and disagreeing, and also we are going to focus on grammatical structures like verb or a preposition plus a gerund. We are going to learn when we're going to use a gerund and what is a gerund, okay, some rules basically, and also we are going to study the use of so and neither plus auxiliary verbs. So as you can see in the first exercise, the first activity, we can find the opener, look at the movie posters, what kind of movies are they. As you can see, we have different kinds of movie, A, B, C, D. Basically we have some of them, and E. Okay, we have one more here in the second page. By the way, we are going to work on pages 22 and 23. Okay, those are the pages that we're going to work with. Basically what you have to do is look at the posters. As you can see, those are the posters, and you are going to think about the kinds of movies that are they. So here we have in the word bank the kinds of different movies that we can find, like action movie, horror movie, animation, musical, comedy, romantic movie, documentary, drama, and science fiction. Okay, so according with the posters, you are gonna decide what is the kind of movie of this, okay, of these posters. And also, as you can see in the exercise number 2, we have a reading. You are going to read the following description of the movies, descriptions of these movies, and you are going to match them with the posters, the ones that you consider. As you can see, we have like a mini summary about them. Okay, then on page 23, we have the exercise number 3. This is after reading. Okay, so you are going to read the previous information, the previous descriptions, and after that you are going to read these sentences and you are going to decide if the sentences are true, false, or if you don't have information in the previous reading, the previous information, let's say. And you are going to correct the false sentences. If the sentence is false, you are going to correct it. Then we have a question. What about you? Have you seen any of these movies? If so, what did you think of them and what kind of movies do you enjoy? So we are going to discuss this question in class. Then we have the exercise number 4. This is vocabulary. You are going to complete the chart with these adjectives. Okay, so you are going to read these adjectives and you are going to classify according with the phases for the positive ones and the negative ones. Basically, that's what you have to do. Then after that, in the exercise number 5 on page 23, so we have pronunciation. You are going to listen and check your answers to the exercise for this one. And then you are going to repeat these words, all of them, and you are going to mark the stress. If you consider that the word has the stress or the accent at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. Okay, that's what you have to do. After that, we have the exercise 6. This is listening. So I'm going to send you this audio. You are going to listen to 5 people talking about the movies on the posters. Which adjectives from the exercise 4, from the previous exercise, do they use to describe each movie? If they mention that the movie is amazing, so you are going to write the adjective that they use to describe the, let's say, the previous movies. Okay, so you are going to write in this space all the adjectives that they are going to use to describe the let's say, the movies. Then in the exercise 7, this is a speaking exercise. Complete the sentences for yourself about movies. For example, like this: I love going to the movies. And it says, so do I. Or do you? I don't. I'm not interested in seeing musicals, neither am I. Or aren't you? I am. Okay, so don't worry for this part. What I want is that you are going to think about your answers, about how you can complete these sentences using information about yourself And after that, obviously, I need to explain you first when we're gonna use so and when we're gonna use neither. When you have these so clear, you can do this speaking part in class. We're gonna do this part in class, so that's why. Okay, because what I want is that you can understand the difference between them and when we're gonna use them. Okay, so don't worry for this part because the speaking part is going to be in class. Then we have the exercise number 8. This is writing. You are going to write a short review about a recent movie. You are going to use the descriptions in the exercise 2 and these questions to help you. So what kind of movie is it? If it is comedy or science fiction or any other, what is it about? You are going to give us a mini summary about it. Who is in it? Who are like the main characters? And what is your opinion of the movie, if you consider that is interesting or not. And after that, guys, you are going to do the grammar workout on page 81, okay? So just give me some minutes to go to page 81. Okay, and as you can see here, we have the exercise on page 81. So this is verb plus preposition, or verb or a preposition plus a gerund. So here we have like a mini summary, a mini explanation about the gerunds, okay, and when we're gonna use them, okay. But obviously I'm going to send you a PowerPoint presentation with the explanation about this topic, and once you have the information, you are gonna do this exercise. So you're gonna do the exercise 4, complete with the correct form of the verbs. So that's what you have to do basically. So see you next Saturday, guys, and take care.